A Viacoin core and via Electrum wallets basically provide anonymous connections to the Viacoin network by letting you connect to Tor nodes. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video I am going to share such a great news regarding the Viacoin. Basically right now the price of this token is only and only 0.175 and it already basically reached up to $8 and it is available on multiple exchanges, especially the Binance exchange and also on the Bittrex, VCC, CoinDCX, Yobit, FEX and multiple exchanges. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update. First of all, basically the key features of the Viacoin is you can say fast and secure, atomic swaps, and also you can say auxiliary proof of work scalable lightning network. These are the major key factors and also the mission of the Viacoin. Basically the price prediction of this coin is for example in the end of 2020, definitely the price will be around $4 to $5. I will tell you the reasons behind that. First of all, we are going to open each and everything on the white paper of the Viacoin. Viacoin is an open source basically cryptocurrency created in 2014, derived from the Bitcoin protocol that supports embedded consensus with an extended OP return of 120 byte. Viacoin features script merged mining, also called auxiliary proof of work for AUX POW, and 25x faster transactions than Bitcoin. Viacoin mining reward halving takes place every 6 months and has a total supply of, you can say, the coins, number of coins. The inflation rate of Viacoin is low due to minimal mining reward. As the block reward of Viacoin is low, miners are given incentive to mine Viacoin through merged mining AUX POW. Viacoin is currently mined by one of the biggest mining pools, F2 pool, with a very high hash rate. Other features include a mining difficulty adjustment algorithm to address flaws in the Kimto's gravity well, dark gravity wave. These are the major key factors of the Viacoin. Here you can see and read each and everything on the main platform of the viacoin.org. Basically secure micropayments basically perfected. The Viacoin core and via Electrum wallets provide anonymous connections to the Viacoin network by letting you connect to the Tor nodes. Basically here you can see the price and everything, and as I told you the main features are fast and secure, atomic swaps, auxiliary proof of work, scalable and lightning network. Basically they are focusing on the future. Right now in 2020 they are just basically making it somehow more bigger and easier that your transactions will be in minimum microseconds. So that is such a great thing regarding this token. And as at this time they are launching their own mobile app, so you can easily hold your Viacoin in your personal mobile wallets. So definitely the price will increase very soon, and as per my, you can say on my review, basically the price will go up to $4 to $5 again very soon in hardly next 2 to 3 months. So it is such a great, you can say, a golden gem for you. You must have to hold this token at least for next 3 to 4 months. You have to basically add this token in your personal portfolio. But at the end, I'm just saying one thing: you must have to read each and everything on the Viacoin main platform, and also you have to download the white paper to know each and everything, because they have their own wallets. You can see it by yourself on the main platform that they have their own wallets, and this is basically a mineable coin, so you can easily mine this coin on your personal laptop or computer. So it is entirely easy for you. You must have to read each and everything regarding this platform. Thanks a lot.